Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for the final episode of the Portland experience. And so far, we have explored Portland's hidden waterfalls, stayed at a luxury boutique hotel, rafted down the river for authentic Jamaican food, and vibed to vinyl records. But we're not done yet. We're heading to one of Jamaica's most beloved beaches in Portland. And to close things out, we're making our way to a community in Portland called Boston, the birthplace of Jamaica's most famous jerk chicken and pork. Get ready for smoky flavors, juicy bites, and a real taste of Portland's food culture. This is the perfect way to end the adventure, so stick around because you won't want to miss this. All right, guys, good morning. We're getting down to the final end of the trip. And we're here. We just woke up. We're gonna get breakfast at Bush Bar. When you book your stay here at GJAM, breakfast is included. So we're gonna go down, get some breakfast. Then we're heading to Nanny Falls. The weather in Portland has not been so good. They get intermittent rain for some months now. So Nanny Falls is one of those places that I visited in Portland a few years ago, and I always wanted to revisit just to capture some great content. So we're gonna go there. Then hopefully we can do some kayaking, do a little kayaking around Sansan. GJAM does offer that service as well. I did it when I was here a couple years ago and I enjoyed it. So we are gonna experience that and we leave tomorrow. But so come follow us on our trip. And so far Portland has been good. So far GJAM has been good and I just enjoyed. So stay tuned for more. So guys, this is the breakfast that we're having here. I tried something different, the Jamaican breakfast. So we have a dumpling, fried dumpling, boiled dumpling, yam, banana, plantain. This is callaloo and salt mackerel. I've never tried callaloo with salt mackerel. It's always saltish, so let's see how it is. The last time I tasted a little bit, it did taste good. So we're gonna try the Jamaican breakfast. So we're gonna dig in. Not bad. So unfortunately, the rain prevented us from visiting Nanny Falls. Listen, I was truly disappointed, but to be on the safe side, I didn't want to drive all the way to Nanny Falls and then we had rain, because if it rains, the hike will not be pleasant. So I just decided to go to Winifred Beach, which is about, I would say, a 10 minutes drive from GJAM. And Winifred Beach is a public beach. You just pay a small contribution fee and you can go there, you can eat, you can enjoy the water and just relax. No, I did not go there to swim. I just went there to just, see what it's like, because I haven't been in years. One thing to note again, being in Portland, the roads to get there, part of it is bad. No, it has improved. When I was there years ago, it was like it was a dirt road. So the road, is fixed, but parts of it is bad. So you just take your time and you just drive as usual, right? And you can locate Winifred Beach via Google Maps. Very straightforward. We are here at Winifred Beach, which is in Portland. It's about an 8-minute drive from GJAM. So we're here. We're gonna check out the beach. We're not gonna swim, but it's a nice drive to go eat. It's a free beach technically, but they do ask for a contribution of $500. I guess they use it to fix the beach up and clean up after people. I don't know, but yeah. So we're gonna check it out. The sea is very rough, so see you in a few. So we just basically walked around the beach, just taking in the views and the fresh air. It was a bit gloomy, so the sun wasn't out, but nonetheless we made the best of it. Now, Winifred Beach, they have a lot of vendors there. You might get someone selling jerk pork, jerk chicken, cook shop. They might be selling snacks, different crafts, and souvenirs. I met this lady, Miss Doreen. She was just, kind of speaking to me about what she has and what she sells. She sells jerk chicken. She does soup. She does jerk pork. And she has a little shop where she sells snacks. So if you're ever there, you can check her out. How much for a cup of this?
Well, we have four. I sell corn for $5 and $4, and we have soup for $4 and $1,000. And I was on that page and sell it behind here before the video. Right here. I can nail some sticks. I'm coming from afar on the almond tree. Like I nail some stuff and pick up my drink.
Alright guys, so we stopped at this place called Boston Jerk Stop. It's right beside Boston Jerk Center. They do jerk pork, jerk chicken. It's just a more establishment, I guess. I just want somewhere to sit down and eat. So we're gonna go there and check it out. So we decided to stop at Boston Jerk Stop. Now Boston Jerk Stop is right beside Boston Jerk, which is very famous. It's been there for years, but the downside is they don't have anywhere where you can sit down and pretty much eat. So if you're looking for an establishment where you can sit down and eat and just have a peaceful dining experience, no loud music, then that's the place you should go to and eat. And I don't mind the food. For me, Boston Jerk over the years has been a hit and miss, and I didn't really want to chance it because I was extremely hungry, so we decided to stop here. All right guys, here is the chicken that we got leg and thigh with some salmon. The salmon look really small, and then over here, so yeah. All right, good morning everyone. This is my final day here. It's been just amazing. So this morning I'm gonna try to do a little bit of kayaking. G-Jam does offer this service for free. Just tip the guys a little bit. So I'm gonna see what the sea is like, if we can go and just see what's out there in this ocean and sea, and maybe catch 1 or 2 turtles. Not sure because of how the weather is, but we're gonna try and see. So we're gonna have to walk to the beach, so let's go. Oh, and then we're gonna do breakfast, our last breakfast here, our last meal. See you in a few. Hi, morning. We're going to the beach. Alright, soon come back. So guys, unfortunately this is the sea. It's very rough, so I'll not be kayaking today. So we're just gonna head to breakfast, have some last breakfast, and then we'll just head off. I may get some content of the property, not sure. I kind of want to head out before the traffic, so let's go. So unfortunately I was not able to go kayaking because of the weather, but I do have footage of doing this activity at GJam 2 years ago, so I'm going to share it with you. This is something that I encourage you guys to do if you ever stay at GJam. It's something you won't regret. I did it, I love it. It was such a nice fun experience, just looking at the beautiful water. You may see a few turtles. It was just a great activity. It was breathtaking, beautiful. I got some amazing videos and I'm going to share it with you guys, so here we go.
The water is cute.
Very nice.
Yeah.
You can put your hand in there and feel it. Put your hand in there and feel it.
No, it's perfect.
Perfect.
But me not going out though. No, I am so that. No, I'm fine. I don't need to.
Yep, saw nature.
There you go.
Now this water is so refreshing.
And clear.
The feel underneath is so warm. You get good flotation because it's not type of water. See the reef? See the coral? Look at the picture. You can take a picture of the coral. Look.
Yeah, wow. Wow.
Is this a better view than Friday?
Okay. I love here.
You love here, right? Very nice.
Not that we did have problem with trident. This is reef that's right out there. This reef is a little different, much more live.
Yeah.
See him again?
I'm gonna see him. In poke him
He's
head.
on top. Yeah, and poke his head. See? See that white?
Oh yeah, I see it. A turtle.
Should
Is
be a
that
turtle on top. See? Yeah, I guess. At a GoPro,
Mm-hmm.
while we get picture of the turtle. See how pretty out there is?
Yeah.
You want to
Peace.
swim?
No, I'm okay.
Not you.
I know Michelle probably will. Alright, so as you can see, this is a nice little kayaking experience. It was amazing. You even get to stop at this small little secluded beach where they have mineral clay that they put on your skin, and your skin feels so good afterwards. You can exfoliate it all over your skin. So this is the exit. You have to exit the door here, and the place is pretty secure. Nobody is gonna come and pass through. So this is the only part I don't like. The road. These people drive so crazy on the road. So we have a truck coming here. Let me back out of the way. Our next car come down the road. Yeah. And they drive pretty fast on this road. Alright. What? we gotta run. Now we have to climb all the way up the stairs. This is the part I hate. So this is my last breakfast here at the Bush Bar at GJam, and I'm so sad, but yeah, all good things come to an end. Again, as I said before, if you book your stay at GJam, breakfast is complimentary, and they do all different type of breakfasts, Jamaican food and continental as well, and the food prices vary. What I love is that you get freshly brewed Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. Really, really nice. And the food here is delicious, really tasty. I love it. And you get fresh juices as well. And I love it. You know, the food here again is amazing. And yeah, my minutes are counting down, so I'm about to check out. So see you in a few. Alrighty guys, this is my last minute here. I am about to check out, and I had an amazing time here at GJam. Special thanks to the team at GJam for accommodating me and just making sure that my stay here was a pleasant one. Thank you guys so much. Now heading to Kingston, there is one place I must stop at, and that is Coronation Bakery, located in Port Antonio. If you want freshly baked products like your bulla, your cocoa bread, your cakes, your patty, your bread, Coronation Bakery is a place you must stop at. And they have been around since 1953. They have a history, a deep history in Portland, and every time I stop there I must get the grotto bread. Now the grotto bread, it has this buttery taste, like they put butter in it, and it's just nice and it's so good. It's best when you get it when it just come out of the oven. Really nice. I love it. You know,
thank you.
I couldn't come home without it because my family they love it, and yeah, I always have to buy at least 3. So if you're ever in Port Antonio and you love baked bread, cocoa bread, patties, please visit here. And just like that, our journey through Portland's hidden gems and off-path adventures comes to an end. I had an amazing time exploring hidden gems, eating some of the best Jamaican foods. This was truly the ultimate Portland experience. If you have been watching this series thinking, I need to do a trip like this, you absolutely can. This itinerary is perfect for anyone looking to explore Portland beyond the usual tourist spots. And guess what? I can help you plan it. As a travel content creator, I don't just share my experiences, I help others create unforgettable Jamaican adventures. Whether you're visiting for the first time or you're a Jamaican that wants to experience the island in a new way, I can craft the perfect itinerary for you, just like I did for this one. Just click the link in the description to book your custom itinerary today. Special thanks again to GJam Hotel, John Baker, and the staff, everyone who accommodated me. I really appreciate it. Please check them out on Instagram at GJam Hotel. To the Jamaica Tourist Board, thank you again for all your assistance. Check them out at Visit Jamaica for all your Jamaican travel content. If you enjoyed this series, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures across Jamaica and beyond. Tell me, where should I explore next? Let me know in the comments. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you on the next adventure.